What I mean by that? Measurable and time specific. If you have vote for something, then them have to tell you what them are give you. And it can't be, as me say, 2 pounds of rice. Yeah? Because if you use that as measurability, you better not vote none at all. Then? So say you have vote for them improve the water situation, the irrigation. Alright, make we use a farmer then, because Jamaica a farmer place. It's a farm I grew up on, so big up all of the farmer then. Then? Yeah man, it's a farm I grew up on, man. Move me goat and, you know, plant me yam and all them things there. Yeah, that's where I come from. So, big up all of the farmer them. Alright. Say you have vote for some irrigation improvement. Them have to tell you, say, this is what you are going to get. We are going to bring in some pipe to transfer the water from the source to your home or to your farm as a farmer, as me say. Yeah? So, measurable. This is what I are going to give. This is what I are going to give. And it needs to be time specific. They need to tell you the time where they are going to do it. Right? So, they need to tell you, say, in the 1st of September, we are going to launch a project. And it will end at the end of December. Time specific. They have to tell you what they are give you. And they have to tell you the time where it will take. And that is what you are going to use as a yardstick.